In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase subscribers in 1 minute just by following this simple strategy that's going to get you more subscribers and help your channel grow. So if you want to learn how to get more subscribers in just 1 minute, this is the video for you. So keep on watching. So this simple strategy, it's only going to take you 1 minute, and it's actually adding the watermark that you see down below that gets people to subscribe to your channel. If you hover over this on a desktop, you'll be able to subscribe to the channel, and then it'll also pop up on the mobile app, but I'm unfamiliar if you're actually able to subscribe with the actual watermark. But this is a great way to get people to subscribe to your channel just by simply seeing that little watermark is giving them another reason to subscribe and remind people to subscribe without having to ask them and begging them to subscribe to your channel. Make sure you do watch to the end though, because I do have some bonus tips of how to get extra subscribers just as fast. Guys, so we are on the computer, and the very first thing you want to do is look on the top right hand corner there for your logo. Click on that one there, and then we want to click on YouTube Studio. Okay, and then from here, now it has changed, so if you're familiar with this process, it has in fact changed with the new YouTube Studio. So you just want to go ahead and click on Customization. You want to come along and click on Branding, and then if you scroll down here, you'll see the Video Watermark. Now this says the watermark will appear on your videos at the right hand corner of the video player. Now you can choose a different display time, so that can be the end of the video. You can choose a custom start time, which I have it after 5 seconds, so that way it actually pops up on the screen, and I feel like it's more likely to get someone's attention. And or you can choose the entire video. I would highly recommend either the entire video or a custom start time. There's really no point in putting the watermark at the end of a video, because that's going to be like your end screen, which you should be doing as well, which we'll get into that very soon. But you want to go ahead and make sure that you do choose a watermark that's going to advise people to subscribe to the channel. Mine does say join the fam, but you just want to follow the specifications available. It does have to be quite a small file, and you need to make sure that you follow the exact specifications so that it allows you to add it there. Also, you want to make sure that it is readable on the screen. But this is something that's going to really help you to get subscribers, and it really only takes a couple of minutes to get this all set up and put onto your YouTube videos. And this is going to show up on every single video, old or new, and it's really going to help people to get more subscribers. Now, I did also mention that I'm going to give you a bonus tip, which is actually 2 bonus tips that I'm going to advise. And these are: 1, you want to make sure that you go ahead and put in your description, so maybe add this in your default settings, have a little subscription link, because you'd be surprised how many people actually go through your description. Obviously you want to have it somewhere, not at the very top, but somewhere in the 1/3 top section, so that people are actually going to see it. And this is another way that you'd be surprised how many people actually subscribe to your channel just by them going through your description. They actually are going to click on that link to subscribe to your channel. So it's just another reason to remind somebody to subscribe to your channel without actually having to ask someone in your videos. And the other bonus tip is to make use of your end screen and your annotations, because you want to make sure that you're always reminding people to subscribe once again. And chances are, if they've made it all the way through to the end of your video, it's a great chance to make sure that people subscribe to your channel. So it's a great place to put a subscribe link there as well, and people should be pretty familiar that if your logo is there, they can actually subscribe to it. Once again, it's taking advantage of all of these options available. We've got annotations, we've got end screens, we've got a description, and we've got a watermark that's there to be used. So if you're wondering why people aren't subscribing to your channel, maybe really think about, are you actually reminding people to subscribe, and are you giving people lots of options to be able to subscribe to your channel? This is a simple tip that you can use in just 1 minute to get more subscribers and to really grow your YouTube channel. If you did find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you did enjoy this video, I know you'll love these other videos, go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over there.